Okay, so the topic I picked for my read aloud was a math problem. The problem states Abigail is 6 years older than Jonathan. 6 years ago, she was twice as old as he. How old is each? So I let x equal Jonathan's age now, and then x plus 6 equal Abigail's age now. X minus 6 equals Jonathan's age 6 years ago, and x plus 6 in parentheses minus 6 equals Abigail's age 6 years ago. 6 years ago, she was twice as old as him. So I set up an equation as 6 plus 6 minus 6, being Abigail's age 6 years ago, equals to 2 times x minus 6, which is Jonathan's age 6 years ago, which would be x equals 2x minus 12, negative x equals negative 12, which x equals 12, which is then Jonathan's age now. So I can plug in x for Abigail's age now, which would be x plus 6, so 12 plus 6 equals 18. So Abigail is now 18. The way the text is described is only understood by a few, so I believe a math teacher or the author themselves will be able to solve this problem a lot easier having the insider discourse, while a student who is just learning how to solve this kind of problem would have the outsider's discourse. Adolescent learners may struggle with this because of the wording of the text. Me, myself, I've never been good at problems like this. The way this problem is written is meant to confuse the reader. In order for the student to grasp this problem, they really have to think about the wording and form the correct equation to solve the problem. The comprehensive strategies that I chose were visualizing and comprehensive monitoring. Visualizing is making mental images of the text as a way to process and understand what is being asked, while comprehensive monitoring, the readers monitor their thought process as they go through reading. This allows a reader to understand what they're reading as they go. I was confused by how it doesn't really give you a starting age, so you really have to take a step back and choose your variables wisely in order to get the correct numbers. This problem, using visualizing, made me picture Abigail and Jonathan as their younger selves and then as the age they are now, as a way to kind of subtract and develop a problem. And then right now I'm thinking, at the age of 22 years old, 5 years into college, that these kind of problems still confuse me, so I can imagine how a high school math student could struggle with this.